Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a capsicum vada, or you can say capsicum bhaji. For that I have taken one capsicum and sliced it. Potato masala which we make for batata vada, that masala I have made and I filled it with that masala in the capsicum. Now batter consistency is this. Oil is hot. Dip the vada or bhaji, you can call it, in the batter and put it in the oil. Remaining masala I am making vada out of this. These are tasty snacks. You can make it. The vada is ready. We can remove it now. I had taken 4 potatoes, 1 big capsicum, sliced it into 3 parts, and masala, how you make batata vada masala, the same masala you have to make. Spice according to your requirement you can take. Now, since the capsicum is quite big, I can put only one in this. The capsicum vada, bhaji is ready to serve. You can serve it along with any kind of chutney, green chutney or sauce. Serve it hot. In the batter I added chili powder, hing powder, ajwain, salt and little bit of oil. I had taken 1 cup of besan. Now if the batter is remaining, you can just add onion in that and just fry it. So onion bhajis also you can make with the remaining batter. Thank you so much for watching the video. The detailed ingredients I'll give it in the description box. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Please share with your friends and relatives. See you with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.